You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word. I know a lot of people are confused with this pronunciation, so let's go through. By the way, if you want more vocabulary in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Staunch is the British English pronunciation, staunch, alright? It's an O sound. Now, in American English, it's pronounced, in the US, it's pronounced more usually as staunch, alright? So that's why I guess it's a bit confusing. You can say it as staunch or staunch. Staunch, staunch. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.